Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to use template screen in the TI portal. Now, let's begin. So, what we will do, we will add one HMI device and we will add some required screen which are required for any normal projects. So, here we will add one 12-inch HMI. So, here communication part we will skip screen layout. So, alarm also we will skip. So, root screen, buttons, everything we will skip. So, here what we will do, we will add some screens. So, screen number 1, welcome screen. So, this is our we will increase some font. So, we copy and we paste and we rename. Welcome screen, PNID screen, PNID screen. Alarm setting screen. Trend screen. Recipe screen and setting screen. Now let's say we have these 6 screens in our project. Okay, so we want common footer for every screen so that operator can easily navigate from welcome screen to PNID, from welcome screen to alarm setting, to trend, recipe and setting screen. So what we can do, we can use template screen. Here we can use template screen so that this screen, it will be background for all these 6 screen. So here template. So here in the template there are by default some buttons are added. We can use whatever we required and rest of the buttons we can delete, or we can add the required button. Here we can change the size. So behind the button, we can write the required function to navigate the screen. So here we should use the first button to navigate the welcome screen. To save the time, we will use copy paste. Here welcome button. Second one is PNID. So behind click function, we can use activate screen. Behind third, we can use alarm. Alarm setting. Fourth one is a trend. Fifth one is a recipe. And sixth one is the setting. So you can add the required screen as per your application. And last one, we will use it to shut down. Stop runtime. So this is our template screen. So here in the header part also you can add some date time. So here we will not use analog, we will use digital one. So here also you can add username tag. Here we can give the here we can add logo of the customer, and if you require you can add the alarm bar, so that on every screen there will be a alarm, so that every time operator there is no required operator to go to the different screen. So on the header itself he can see the alarm. Okay, so now our template is ready. Now how to apply this template for every screen? So we will go to the first PNID screen. In the properties there is option called template, so we can select the our template. We can create a number of template and we can use the required template for every screen. So if you see, the template is applied to PNID screen. So for the buff alarm setting, we can select the required template. For the trend, we can select the required template. For the recipe also, we can select the required template. And for welcome also, we can select this template. If you want only footer to this welcome screen, so you can create a different template. You can copy and you can paste it. Template 2. So here, if you don't want this header part, you can remove it and you can use only footer for the welcome screen. So here you can use, so here template 1 and template 2. So in the template 2 only footer is there. So we can use template 2 for the footer. So like this, you can create a number of template and you can use it for every screen. While developing the screen, other than template, we have to make sure that we have to develop entire our screen in this area only. In this area only. If you cross these boundaries, then this button and this header atom, it will be overriding whatever we are developing in that particular area. And if you, now what we will do, now in the runtime setting, we can define the start screen. So at the moment, start screen is our root screen. So we will change it to our welcome screen, so that operator will automatically land on our welcome screen. So here if we put runtime, so in the runtime there is only footer. So if you change it to the PNID, so now our template 2 is applicable here. So here you can see date time, here you can be able to see username, here alarm banner we can use. On the left hand side you can use logo of the customer. So in this way, so our footer and header is common for every screen. Only for welcome footer is common, for rest of the screen header and footer is common. So you can modify the footer as per your so you can modify the template screen as per your requirement, and you can apply it for every screen or required screen in the TI portal. So in this way we can use the template and start screen. So no need to insert all this button on every screen. So in this way we can use template screen. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.